Get ready, going green.
Okay, GT4 action. Canadian Motor Tyre Sport thingy race. And it looks like I'm in the wrong car. I'm in the Porsche, and I think the car to be in is the Mercedes AMG. But anyway, so rolling start. Let's see if we can get away carefully without getting taken out by anyone. Got this AMG Mercedes behind me. Sorry, Aston Martin behind me.
Car right.
I'm alright, so I can't go that way.
You got a slow car on the right. Go right. Clear. Car right.
It's a bit slippy.
Car right.
Can't get in the power because he's in my way.
Car right. Slow car ahead.
Slow car ahead. I can see lots of dust and...
Slow car ahead. Keep to the left. You're on the left. 3 wide.
Okay, we got through that.
Go left. Right side. Clear on the right. We've got damage on the back end.
So somebody must have hit us then.
Slow you down on the straight.
Let's just get through this section. Oh, it's all a bit up and down around here. So I was pretty slow qualifying. I was a good 2 seconds off the pole time and a good second off sort of mid-pack. So I think I'm going to get swamped again at some point because I haven't got a lot of pace around here. I was just lucky to get through that bit. So we'll see. Oh dear, somebody else off. Struggling to get turned in here. I think I'm in the wrong car, definitely. This Mercedes seems a lot quicker.
34.919. Right side. Keep to the left. You're in the top 20.
Let this guy go, I think. See if we can keep with him. Yeah, you can see even that Aston Martin's quicker, isn't it? Don't know why I'm so slow. I'm just very slow for some reason. I'm okay through this section, but
clear on the left.
Oh, he's hit me again. He's very keen, isn't he? 4X already. I don't know where that's come from. Bit annoying, isn't it? Oh well. Just got to keep going. It's just like it doesn't want to turn.
Still there, hold your line. Car
Just
right.
can't seem to get it turned.
Still there, hold your line. 24.897. Clear on the right.
Oh, my bad, man. I'm sorry.
Maybe it just needs a different style. Maybe I'm not being aggressive enough. I am struggling, I have to say. Flipping heck. Okay, let's get going again. We've worked our way to the back, haven't we? Bloody hell. Oh, I'm really struggling with this car, I have to say. Oh, 6X. Can we cling on to the back of these cars? It just doesn't want to turn, this car. I'm really struggling with it.
There's an incident ahead.
Not struggling as much as him, though.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 21.768.
Okay, let's see if we can close in.
28.828.
Maybe I just need to be more on the edge. Going a bit quicker.
Minutes to go.
It's only a short race, so I don't have a lot of time. Just look at that understeer. Just doesn't want to turn. I don't know if I got some damage that's causing that or what, but oh, I'm going to struggle to make anything up here. The guy in the BMW, Connor, was complaining how slow his car was as well. I think it's a Mercedes Fest this week. That's definitely the best car. It's turning a bit better now, but whether I'll be able to close in or not, I don't know.
23.96. New fastest lap for you.
Need to be in the 22s. Nice to close up if I could. Maybe benefit from a slipstream.
You got a slow car on the right.
Closed up a little bit there, but not enough. I don't know what that slow car on the right was. I can't see anyone. Somebody go off? Don't know.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 21.575.
Might be catching this guy ahead.
23.58. You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
I'm going a bit quicker. GT4s are clearly not my strength. I do like driving this Porsche though. Where are we now? 1.4 behind still. Struggling out. We're going quicker than the guy ahead, so we might close in.
21.6.
Yeah, 21.6. It's very bumpy.
23.412. New fastest lap for you. The car in front.
No, he's gone off. No, we've got him. If we can get the three ahead racing each other, that'd be good. They look quite close, don't they? Oh, a bit too close on the inside there. Another off track. Safety rating is going to take a hit, I think. On my I rating. Okay, where are we? Not looking good, is it?
5 minutes to go.
Another off track.
23.382. New fastest lap for you.
Not making an impression. Okay, we really need them to battle. Well, the guy behind's not catching, so that's good. We are ruined, aren't we? Must be a quicker way around this track in this car. Just not found it.
.476.
That's a little bit quicker. Let's try leaving it in this gear this time, see what happens. Is that better? No. Better in, but not out. That's better coming out. We're not going in. That car behind's catching a bit. Yeah, they're going quicker than us ahead, so we're not going to catch them unless something happens. It's got to be a quicker way.
23.523.
Well, that was better. And then I messed it up. Seem to be coming up to a whole pile of cars here, don't we? We're not close enough. And that car behind is catching. I'll have him on my tail soon. Yeah, he's in the slipstream.
White flag, white flag.
Yeah, I've got to hold him off for a lap then. What are the chances?
23.671.
Bit better through there. Bit slow through there though. Just a lot quicker through there, isn't he? Okay, he's going to have the slipstream on the straight. But I have pulled away a little bit. Is it enough though? Oh, we're definitely fighting for the minor places, aren't we?
Hey, Dan, well done, man. Great battle. Great battle. Thank you. Thank you.
Done it. Well, celebrating a 22nd place, but
That was fun.
yeah, I'm going to try this race again. I'm going to try it in the Aston Martin, see if that's any better. Because it was certainly tough in the Porsche, I'll say that. Anyway, let's have a look at the incidents. There's plenty of them. Okay, here we go. And this was the start. So where's the first incident then? A bit of bumping and boring into the first corner. Oh dear, a bit more. That's not good. What's happening here then? Is someone going to go off? Oh, a few people have gone wide, haven't they? Is he going to go off and hit the inside here? Oh, okay. Well, he's done well there, hasn't he? Blimey. So they're coming back on. Where am I then? Oh dear. Yeah, dirt on his tyres. Oh gosh, he's got a bit of a... Been rear-ended. Oh, unlucky. Okay. And there's... Is that me, I think? I think that might have been me, I'm not sure. Oh dear. That didn't work. Drive through. Yeah, drive through that wall. And yeah. Okay, that was the car that was ahead of me in the rolling start. Oh, unlucky. What's happening here? Yeah, just a nice little tap it. Oh, that's not very nice, is it? There's not a lot. Oh gosh, look at the front of his car as well. Okay, he's not happy, is he? It's a lot of like just sort of taps, aren't there? Well, there's a lot of that going on. Oh dear. Oh. Yeah, a lazy little spin. Oh dear. Oh! Ah. Yeah. What's going on here then? So he's going very slow, isn't he? Just hit the wall. Don't know what that's about. And that's the end. Okay, well, yeah. Lots of incidents there. Let's have a look at the results. So Canadian Tire Motorsports Park, that's where we're at. So that was top split out of 5. Yeah, I lost quite a lot of safety rating there. I need to work on that. Dropped a bit of I rating, not too much. I mean, could have been a lot worse. 21.5 was the best lap. I was all the way down here. 20th we ended up. So I'm assuming some people had penalties. 23.4. You can see everyone around me is in the 22s. I mean, if I like a second, I need at least a second to be competitive. But the cars, it's just all... It's all Mercedes, isn't it? Mercedes, 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 Mercedes. Oh, McLaren. Okay, McLaren, Mercedes. Where's the top Porsche? Let's see. It's all Mercedes, all Mercedes. Cayman. Okay, so top Cayman can do a 22.5, so a second quicker than me. So it's not just the car, it's definitely me too. Well, hope you enjoyed that. I did. I'm going to have another go and try it a bit later on. If you want to see that, then stick around. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.